Giveaway alert. We will be announcing our giveaway alert very soon on Instagram. So don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Instagram link mentioned below. Requirements for migrating to Australia. Before you start noting down the requirements needed to move to Australia, you must first explore the different options for you, zeroing in onto the most suitable Australia immigration route, in keeping with your preferences and specific situation. To migrate overseas to Australia as a skilled worker, settling permanently in the land down under, you will have to take the General Skilled Migration route. General Skilled Migration visas for Australia include Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189, and Skilled Regional Visa, Subclass 489. Foreign nationals that have the skills or qualifications needed by Australia can make use of SkillSelect for securing a nomination for a skilled visa by an employer, being invited to apply for a skilled visa by the Australian government, or getting a nomination for a skilled visa by either a territory or state government. An expression of interest, also called EOI, is a way to communicate one's intention to the Australian government to be considered for an Australia skilled visa. Remember that expression of interest is not a visa application. The Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Visa, Subclass 494, allows the candidate to stay in the country for 5 years. Moreover, it enables employers in regional Australia to address labour shortages within their specific region by sponsoring skilled workers wherever employers are unable to source an appropriately skilled Australian worker. If you are eligible, a Subclass 494 visa holder may become eligible to apply for their permanent residency after 3 years from the time of the start of their employment in Australia. An Australian citizen or permanent resident and an eligible New Zealand citizen may sponsor their family to come to live in Australia. Australian visas that are specifically targeted at parents, Contributory Parent Visa Subclass 143, Contributory Parent Visa Subclass 173, and Parent Visa Subclass 103. Australian Partner Visas are the most popular of them all. To qualify for an Australia Partner Visa, the individual must be in a relationship with an Australian citizen, Australian permanent resident, or an eligible citizen of New Zealand. The Temporary Partner Visa for Australia is valid for 2 years. During this time, the relationship of the visa holder will be assessed to ensure they intend staying with their partner. A permanent Australian partner visa will be given to those that have their relationship pass the test. The Permanent Partner Visa for Australia is valid for 5 years. The individual become eligible to apply for their Australian citizenship after completing 4 years on the visa. A much sought-after option, among ways of bringing their partner to Australia, is that of the Prospective Marriage Visa Subclass 300. Australia migration, similar to migration to probably any other country across the globe, requires a clearly laid out plan and a strategy to see it to fruition. Candidates applying for an Australia immigration must obtain 65 points to apply for Migrate overseas to Australia as a skilled worker. The Australia eligibility score is assessed against various factors, such as education, partner skills, proficiency in the English language, etc. Our video ends here. We hope you found today's video update useful. Thanks for watching.